In today's video, you are going to learn how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service owned by Google where you can upload your files and access them from anywhere in the world, whether you are with your computer or not. When you save files on Google Drive, it's like saving the files in Google computers, which they call server, okay, in a layman's understanding. All right. So if you find yourself maybe in an organization or somewhere whereby they are demanding for a particular document, if you have the documents in your drive, you can easily go to the drive folder and get it downloaded. I can remember when I went to a bank and they needed my ID. I was not having the ID card at that point, but I have a copy of it on my drive. What I did was I went to my Drive account, opened the folder, and I downloaded the ID card and I gave to them. Okay, so that is how the platform works. It is a system you can use to back up your files. So follow me as I walk you through on how you can use that beautiful cloud storage service. With your computer fully connected to the internet, open your web browser. As your browser opens, visit the Google Drive website, which is drive.google.com. If you don't have an existing Gmail account, click on sign up at no cost and then sign up for Google Drive. But if you have a Gmail account, all you need is just to log in with your Gmail account. That is your Gmail email address, okay? Because Google Drive is owned by Google. So if you have a Gmail account, automatically you'll have Google Drive account. So in this case, see my Gmail account. So I'll click on it. Then in this space, I have to type my Gmail password. After typing the password, click on next. Once you log in successfully, this is the page you are going to be taken to. Okay. First, you are landed on the My Drive tab. There are some tabs on Google Drive, which is My Drive, Computers, Shared with Me, Recent, Start, Spam, and Bin. Shared with Me shows the files somebody shared with you on the platform. Recent shows the recent files you accessed on the platform. Start shows the files you added as your favorite. Okay. Then spam shows some spam files you may receive from an unknown person. Then bin shows the files you deleted from this drive. Once you delete a file from the drive, it stays in the bin for 30 days, which after that is deleted forever from the platform. To upload files, you must be on the My Drive folder or tab. Then the next step to take is click on New. Click on File Upload. As the File Explorer section of your PC opens, double click on the image or the file you want to upload. Okay, and the file is done uploading. That is the file here. Google Drive makes it possible that you can even upload folder. Maybe you have a folder in your PC containing some documents that are important to you, maybe academic documents or the ebooks you are yet to read or your important files. You can upload them straight. And for you to do that, click on New. Select the option Upload Folder, which is Folder Upload. Then this opens your PC showing some folders that you have inside them. If the folder is in any of these major folders, picture or documents or downloads, just open the folder and then double click on the folder, click on Upload. Then this notification shows up, click on Upload, and the folder is uploaded. You can create a folder on this platform which you can use to organize your files on your own. For you to do that, click on New, select new folder. Give a name to the folder. Click on create. And this folder is created, which is named education. Inside this new folder, you can create another subfolders. For you to do that, double click on the main folder and then click on new. Select the option new folder. Maybe under the education main folder, I have a folder I want to name technology. So I will type the word technology. After that, click on create. And now, this is a subfolder inside the education folder named technology. In this education folder, I can upload some files inside of it. And to do that, click on new, select file upload. Then navigate to where the file you want to save is. Double click on the file and the file is uploaded on your platform. This is the file. When you're using a basic plan, Google Drive offers you a free 15 gigabytes of space whereby you can upload your files. But as your file gets larger and larger, you can decide to buy more storage. And for you to do that, click on get more storage. On the new page that opens on the new tab, Google displays the storage you can still buy for yourself, which is 100 gigabyte and 200 gigabyte. If you want to go for this option, it sells at 97 naira per month because I'm in Nigeria. Okay, it depends on the currency of your country. So, and this is another option. Just click on get offer and follow the on-screen guide. You may like to install the Drive as a desktop app on your PC. And how do you go about that? For you to install it as a desktop app, you can come to this section and click on download. Alternatively, you can click on the settings icon and then select get Drive for PC. You'll be taken to a new page and then you'll download the Drive file. Once it's downloaded in your system, then double click on it and go on with the installation. We already have a file we uploaded on this system as a sample. What of if you need this file tomorrow? How do you download it? To be able to download a file you have already existing on Drive, click on the file. Once you click on the file, you see some icons show up on the top here. And this is download. Just click on download icon. Here is the file here. It's downloaded into my PC. So I can get to the download section of my File Explorer and then open it. You can share the file you have on your Drive with other persons. Maybe this file is needed by a friend. You can easily share the file with the person, okay? No matter where he or she is. And there are so many ways you can do that. First, click on the file you want to share. After that, click on this icon, which is the share icon. On this new page, type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. After typing the email address, leave a message. And after you have typed a short message or maybe a long one, click on send button. Alternatively, you can decide to copy a link and then share the link with him, maybe on Messenger, on WhatsApp, or any other means. So, but here, let me just send. And the file is sent to the recipient. Okay, this is the first file we uploaded on this platform, which I named AI image. I can decide to move this file to another folder. Here I have two folders I created on this platform, so I can move it to any of them. For me to do that, I'll just click on the file first. Then I'll click on this symbol, which is move symbol. Some folders that are existing on this my PC are shown to me, so I will select one. So let me move it to education. After I selected education, I'll just click on move. And the file is moved to the folder. Now you can see the file is no longer on the My Drive page. You can delete any file you don't want to have on your drive again any point in time, okay? To do that, click on the file for it to be selected. Then click on the delete icon. And this file is gone. If you want to see it again, go to the bin tab and you will see the deleted file. And for you to restore it, click on it and then select the option to restore. And it has gone back to its My Drive page. Any file you upload on Google Drive has an invisible link attached to it. For you to copy any link that is inbuilt in a file, click on the file first. Then click on copy link icon. This link is copied, so you can share the link with your friends or any person that need it by email or through social media. Irrespective of the name that comes with any file you upload on Google Drive, you can rename it. And for you to do that, click on the file, click on these three dots, select the option to rename. Give the file a name of your choice. And here I'm giving this file food image. Alright, so click on OK after that. And here we have a new file name, food image. Okay, as you upload more files on your drive, the file keeps increasing in number. And at a point, you may like to search for a particular file by name. And for you to do that, click on search in drive section. Type the name of the file you want to search, example food. After that, click the enter key of your keyboard. And now, here is the file, okay? So you can open the file and use it for anything you want to use it for, okay? At a point in time, you may like to access the settings of your Google Drive. For you to do that, click on the settings icon, okay? And select the settings option. This opens the settings page. So you can change anything you want to change on the page. For example, you may decide, okay, I want to change the language. For you to do that, click on the language, change language settings, and then make some changes you want to do on that aspect. Okay. Some files that are on your drive may be of importance to you compared to others. Maybe they're your favorite files. Okay, you can decide to add them to favorite folder to differentiate between them and other files. Okay, for you to do that, take your cursor to the file, click on these three dots, and then you will see some options listed to you. Click on organize. Then select the option Add to Start. Once you do this, the file is moved to the favorites folder, which Google called Start. So if I click on this Start, I will see this file I just added to favorites. I believe I have walked you through on some steps you need to take to carry out some tasks on OneDrive and then save and organize your files, okay? But at this point, I want to recommend a book for you. If you want to read further, I have a recommendation to make. This book is a book I have read before. In fact, it doesn't talk about only Google Drive. It also talks about OneDrive. And the book is Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive for Beginners 2023 edition, written by Smart Al Richards. Is an up-to-date information book on this area of interest. So I have the link to this book in the description below. So if you want to get it to have something handy, at any point maybe you want to read more about OneDrive and also Google Drive, you can get the book and then read more about it, okay? And the book is not that expensive. The paper format sells at $11.99 and the ebook sells at $2.99. Okay, so it's something you can easily afford. So get it and read more. I have read the book and I know it contains a lot of information, and that is the reason why I have 5-star average ratings. Thank you, and thank you for taking time to watch the video. I hope it helps. Please let me know how you feel in the comment section. If there's something you still want you to cover on the drive, please let me know. See you some other time.